How to change my IP address. Protect your privacy and learn how to easily change your IP address using one of three methods: a VPN, a proxy, or your router. In today's digital age, where online privacy is increasingly important, your IP address can have an impact on your browsing experience. Option 1. Use a VPN. The best and most secure way to change your IP address is with a virtual private network, or VPN. When you connect to a VPN, the VPN uses secure tunneling techniques to transfer data, meaning that your IP address gets replaced by the IP address of the VPN. The entire process is encrypted, meaning your data isn't at risk when you use a VPN to switch your IP. Option 2. Use a proxy. With a proxy, your traffic moves through a server before reaching its destination. Websites you visit see the proxy server's IP address rather than your actual IP address. Proxies are easy to use and cost little, which makes them a popular choice. Take note that not all proxies change your IP address. Option 3. Unplug your router. The easiest method to get a newly assigned IP address automatically is unplugging your router on your home network. However, note that the time you have to keep your router unplugged varies depending on your IP lease time, which is controlled by your ISP. Want to learn